A quick review here, ladies and gents. Thanks for sitting in with me today. As you guys know, my name is Joseph James. Welcome back to our live trade room. Now, today was one of those days, not a very easy day regarding price action. Low volume, no major news here in the U.S. Really, in all reality, the only reason why we made money today was because we have a solid trading plan. This trading plan tells me exactly what to do and what not to do. It tells me what patterns to look for. It tells me when to look for news. In my humble opinion, the test for a good trading plan tells me when to trade and, most importantly, when not to trade. And our trading plan today, a good example right now in the Russell, told me not to take that trade, and it went without me. Just a classic example of what we saw today. A lot of these little fake out breakouts, a lot of these little range-bound moves. We didn't have a lot of volume all day today, and we talked about that this morning at 7:30. 7:30 this morning, our exact words were, we are, bullish on the Russell. We're going to be bearish on crude until the sellers fail. Then we'll be bullish above the 25 on crude. So we're doing exactly what we had planned on seeing today. We planned on seeing the dollar falling lower, which has been happening today. So we've really done a good job today at identifying via our morning prep, which we did today at 7:30 this morning. We identified all this morning. And this trading plan kept us out of the higher risk stuff. It put us into the lower risk stuff, the higher percentage trades. And here we are making our profit because of it. Now, I won't lie. This was a challenging day for scalpers out there. Here's my scalping trades today. For my scalp trades today, you can see here, we really only got 2 moves. That's it. We got one nice winner on the Russell and one winner on the crude. And they both were doing the same thing we talked about this morning. Now, our initial plan this morning was to sell the highs on crude oil. So we were short the crude for the first 2 trades, and you can see that didn't give me much out of it. That was our first plan. Once we noticed the sellers were not as strong as we thought they were going to be, we made it above 93.25. We then pulled back, and we're starting to buy here on crude, and we actually made our money when we bought. The Russell was much easier. The Russell gave us a big clue right out the gate. We were above the previous high of day. The Russell we were looking to go long on. But right away, we saw a failure for a wave pattern. We took that trade, made us a little bit of cash here. You're going to see here, then try to get back to the long side, lost money there. The market on the Russell went sideways here for about an hour here. We went back to our plan on the Russell, getting long, made our money on the Russell before it slowed down here. 89 ticks this morning, guys. 89 ticks this morning. You can see most of these were fast tracks. There were a couple that weren't. So your fast track traders out there will be right on the same page as me. Maybe a little bit less than 89 ticks for the fast trackers today. So you're averaging about 30 ticks per day per contract on the fast track. We got 89 ticks today here in this trade room. Again, all thanks to that trading plan telling us exactly what to do and what not to do. And it really helped us to navigate through a very challenging day today. I want to open the floor for questions. If we have any guests here that want to ask questions, we got some time to go over that. And as always, appreciate you guys and gals being here.